Hello, Rick here with Colonial Van Lines University, the official training center facility for Colonial Van Lines. Welcome to our channel where we will provide specialized training for our moving professionals. Today, we're going to discuss boxes. The first thing we need to know is, what does 1.5 small mean? Now, as you can see on this box, it says small. But if you look on the side of this box, and on a lot of corrugators will put this when they print the box, they'll put the little boxes on the side. As you can see, it's a big box and a little box. That means it's a 1.5. What does that mean? That means there's 1.5 cubic feet of usable space inside the box to pack our customers' items with. Now, 1.5, what do we use it for? Well, these things, like I said, they're 16 by 12.5 by 12.5. It's boxes used the most and carry safely up to 60 pounds, okay? They're great for using to pack books. It's great for packing kitchen items. If you have small dishes, you can pack them in there. Fragile items, small appliances, small lamps or lamp shades. Sometimes you will have to use a 3.0 for larger books. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at a 3.0. This really is the box you'll use the most. You can pack kitchen items, fragile items, small appliances, smaller lamps, or lamp shades. Now, this box can safely carry up to 65 pounds. Most of the times, the movers will use a dolly or hand truck to carry these to the shop. They're wonderful for filling spaces in the tiers of the truck. So that's a 3.0 cubic foot box. All right, another box that we use is the 4.5 box. Very much the same thing. I'm not going to bother putting it together, but you see it says large. There's your 4.5. All right, this is where all of our customers' information will go. You want to make sure that you put the inventory tag here, customer's name, the order number, and the contents, the room from which it came. Another thing that we use is called a mirror pack, a glass pack. And these boxes are used to pack mirrors in. You can pack TVs in them, artwork in them. So basically what it is, this is 1/4 of the piece of the box. You fold that down, you fold that down, you fold that down, and you tape it. So you've got one piece. So after you got the first one put together, and you've got a small television, you put the second one together. You'll wrap the television in brown paper. You'll put a little bit of cushioning inside of the box, and then you just slide it together and you tape it up. That's a mirror pack. You can use as many pieces as you need to. You can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 on the other end. It's a very, very versatile box. Another box we use a lot is the wardrobe. This is a 24-inch wardrobe. As you can see on the bottom, it says 24-inch wardrobe. If you get 24-inch wardrobes, make sure you get 24-inch wardrobe bars. What you do with that is you put the client's clothing in there, you hang it neatly. So they are very versatile, and you can always cut these down to size so that it's not taking up more space than you need. So those are the boxes that we use. If there is space in the box, make sure you put crumpled paper in so that there is no lateral movement. All right, folks, today we learned how to use boxes here at Colonial Van Lines for packing. 1.5s, 3.0s, 4.5s, mirror packs, and wardrobes. Make sure you seal your boxes well. Make sure you protect the items inside the box well, and we will serve our customers well. So thank you for learning with Colonial Van Lines University today. Stay tuned for many more training videos coming very, very soon.